Are you trying to sell car wash buckets to people that already have car wash buckets? No matter what you sell, your prospect's getting the job done. They have a solution in place. They're getting from point A to point B. So if you're pitching car wash buckets on a cold call, you're gonna hear, we have a vendor for that, or I'm not interested all day long. So what are you supposed to do? The way out is to shine a light on a potential problem with their car wash bucket without having assumptions that they actually have the problem. Here's what that might sound like. So Josh, I'm not sure if this is happening with you, but a lot of times when people wash their car, dirt can settle to the bottom of the bucket and get trapped in the sponge and can scratch the hood of their car. It can create these little swirl marks. How are you making sure that doesn't happen when you wash your car? And then shut the front door and listen. One of two things will happen. They'll either say, I don't wash my car, I don't care, or someone else washes it, and that's great because it's not a fit for what you do. Or they'll say, that's a good question, like, I kind of just rinse the sponge off and kind of try to get the dirt off. And then you'll say this, you've probably looked into a grit guard. And they might say, well, what's that? And you say, well, with a grit guard, you rub your sponge on the grit guard and the dirt settles to the bottom of the bucket and off your sponge so you don't scratch your car. What are your thoughts on that? And then you shut the front door and listen. Or they say, I have heard of a grit guard. And then you might take a guess as to why they're not using one. Sounds like you used it, but it didn't really work out for you. And then you shut the front door and listen. Here's the thing, it's not your job to fill people's heads with information when you cold call. Your job is to draw it out. Buyers have the answers, sellers have the questions.